Hey guys, welcome back to our call. In this video, we are going to see how we can create the policies of Windows Firewall in Sophos. So just click on the Add Policies, select the policies from here, Windows Firewall. This policies again, it is only device based. You cannot make these policies on the user base. Yeah. So again, if the name says it is only for Windows devices. Yeah. And let's see what we can do with specific policies. Groups, same goes with the groups as well. Let's go to the settings. What are the settings is here? So there are three options. One is like don't monitor endpoint, won't report firewall status to the Sophos control. Monitor only endpoint will report the firewall status to the Sophos Central. Like you will see the same way inbound connections, outbound connections, and private network, public same way. And the third is the monitor and configure. So there's also networks, which one is like the domain network, then private and public. The same way you can access the things from here. I will try to make you understand. Windows Firewall. Yeah. Windows Defender Firewall. Those are the same thing. Probably you would be able to see here the as well. The domain firewall, private firewall, and the public firewall. Which one is active, which one is passive, and the same goes with the like the what actions you want to take. Block all. This all settings are for inbound connections. Inbound connections in the sense like if you are visiting a Google, that is outbound connections, and if Google is visiting you, that is inbound connections. In terms like why we use this specific settings, or why like suppose things okay we should have the Windows firewall policies in our product. So the main reason behind this idea of the whole thing is to block malicious scans over the network or the over the internet as well. The same way, suppose that someone is in your network and he's trying to scan your device, and maybe there is a some port at AT or any port is open with like default credentials or no credentials, then he can access your device from the network or either from the over the internet as well based on your connection. So I highly recommend to block all inbound connections. Yeah, but block with the exceptions. So what this block with exceptions means, like whatever is allowed locally, that would be allowed locally. Other than this, everything will be blocked. Suppose that you want to use RDP, so you can allow RDP from the local systems, and then you will be suppose won't block that specific thing. But if there is nothing allowed locally, then you can block everything using Sophos. So just save the policies, and yeah, that's it. That's the only policies which we can just configure it in a way we can manage the Windows firewall in Sophos.